Okay, welcome to week 8. I guess you guys know what's going on this time. So let's go look at how we did on the previous week before we start. So as always, we're going to go to grading notes. And quiz 3. Okay, most people did okay. The scores were a bit mixed. I mean, 7 A's, 11 B's, 6 C's. That means most of you guys are getting this. Average score 76. That's not bad. The journal, everybody did really great, 96 on that. I've just now released the answers and comments so you can use this quiz to study for the midterm exam. But let's just go through this one more time because this is going to be kind of sort of important with regard to the upcoming exam. If I'm asking you to explain something, I am not trying to test your ability to copy and paste. I mean, so like don't go to my lecture notes and light up my words and paste them in there, because if you do that, I can't tell if you understand. All I know is, yes, you have the ability to copy and paste. That's not helpful. I need to know if you understand it. So make sure that you actually answer the question that I'm actually asking. Like, do you understand? Okay. Passing arguments. There was a question 3 that basically asked, hey, if the data types don't exactly match, does it work? And then I asked that same question again as one of the elements in question 5. And it's kind of strange that some of you guys got question 3 correct, but missed it in question 5. It's the same topic. I'm confused. And so, pass by value. Remember, pass by value is like making a Xerox copy and handing you the Xerox copy. Doesn't change the original at all. Remember all that? Okay, good. And some of you, I think, on question number 12, just stopped reading. You know, list an example of a class. If that's all you read, you go, oh, sure, scanner. You know, throw in a name of a class that you know. But if you kept on reading, it basically said, list an example of a class that does not follow the rules when you create an instance of that class. That's completely different. So don't just quit reading halfway. Read the entire sentence. Okay, good. Private variables. You really think this has something to do with keeping secrets? If you do, that means you haven't watched the videos. And then, of course, constructors. Some of you guys kind of got tripped up on this thing about the package. We haven't really talked about packages much because there's no real parallel in the rest of the programming world. But no, package has nothing to do with constructor. Okay, so let's move on to the real thing that we're doing. Of course, is the midterm exam. It's fairly obvious that I provide you lots and lots of information, lots of resources that you could be using. Please do use them. I mean, you've got the review video, you've got the lecture notes, you've got all the previous videos, and all the quizzes. And so I've provided you lots and lots of information. I really want you to do well. So please do take the time to go through this and maybe mark up a list of questions you want to ask me, or mark up things you want to get some more information on. I mean, there's tons and tons of resources available. Please avail yourself of those. Okay, please do. Watch the rest of the videos here and study for and do well on the exam.